of Tuesday Talks. I'm Destiney Davis, the new producer for this semester. I really want this show to be a place where DePauw students, families, faculty, and staff can express concerns and share interest. I welcome tough conversations, fun conversations, and really anything else. I know for me and probably everyone else, these past few months have been filled with lots of change and uncertainty. So I really hope that I can make this a platform where we can all come together, share our thoughts, ideas, and concerns during these unprecedented times. With that being said, each week I'll open the comments for topic suggestions, so please share your thoughts below if there's any specific conversation that you believe would be a benefit to DePauw. So with that, I'll give a little bit more of an introduction on myself, and then we'll dive right into this week's topic about study habits and creating the perfect study space for you. So like I said before, my name is Destiney Davis and I'm currently a senior at DePauw University. And unfortunately, I was one of the students that had to / decided to stay home this fall. And although it was a difficult decision, it's definitely allowed me to do so much more than I usually could during a normal semester. I'm able to get my schoolwork done, do extracurriculars like D3 TV, of course, and also be involved in a super cool internship. During my internship, I get to work with a media company in DC that's allowing me to assist with the 2020 election coverage, research for other stories, and so much more. But enough about me, let's talk more about the important stuff. So I know for me, doing online school lately has not been the easiest task at all, and I've actually heard that from both students and professors, but something that I've been trying to do is just keep a semi-normal schedule, and it's helped me to keep up with my academics as well as my, special connections with my friends that I would normally be on campus with. So I reached out to DePauw senior Sage Klinger, who's also in the same boat as I am and many other virtual learners, and I asked her what she's doing to keep up with academics during these chaotic times.
So I've been trying to normalize my schedule as much as possible. So every day I, block off a set number of hours that I dedicate to schoolwork, where I'm able to work on assignments so that I have some sort of, set routine, but I'm also open to flexibility because we all know that things will sometimes pop up out of the blue. I am a huge fan of using a planner to, like I said, keep up with some sort of routine and maintain a sort of schedule and normalize things like it would be at school. So I think it's important to, write down the times that your classes are in your schedule, and also write down times that you are going to dedicate a set number of hours to working on assignments, but even keep track of, things outside of school, where if you have a job, it's important to put that in your planner.
Something else that I think is especially important is where you're actually doing your assignments and where you're actually doing your virtual classes if you're a remote learner. According to Ameritech's College of Healthcare, they say that the way to maximize your studying experience is by having lots of open space, a lot of natural lighting, and even some ambient noise. Sage was excited to share her space with us and a few of the items that make her study area perfect for her.
So this is my study space. A few key items here that have been really helping me through this are going to be my essential oil diffuser. I'm a big fan of essential oils, and having this right here in my study space when I'm in class working on assignments is wonderful, therapeutic, and helps calm me down and keeps me engaged in what's going on.
Some of my absolute favorites have been essential oils, stress balls, plants, and even weighted blankets to use while studying. With that, I think we're going to wrap up this week's episode of Tuesday Talks. As always, please feel free to utilize the comment section below to talk about topic suggestions or even any additional tips that you may have to help other DePauw students. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this video, and tune in next week for an all-new episode of Tuesday Talks. I'm Destiney Davis. Have a great week, Tigers.